How to do a backflip at skyzone. I'm going to tell you how to do a backflip at skyzone. It all starts with a trampoline. Find an open zone with lots of bounce, usually the main court. Warm up your legs, get a feel for the spring, and commit mentally before you ever leave the ground. Confidence is half the flip. Start with jumps to build height. On your highest bounce, tuck your knees fast and lean your head back to spot the landing. Your arms should swing up, then pull in tight. The flip happens in the air, but the setup is everything. If it's your first time, ask a staff member to guide you or try it into the foam pit. Land on your feet or your back, never your neck. A clean backflip isn't just about guts, it's about timing, control, and trust in the bounce beneath you.